Hi, it's Matt and welcome to Collaboration Coach. This time I've got tips to make it easier to come up with ideas with Microsoft Whiteboard using Copilot. I'm going to use Copilot to summarize all the information on the whiteboard for me so I can quickly get to the main themes. Then Copilot will add some content to enhance what's there so I don't have to. And then finally it's going to categorize that content so I can make more sense of it. I'll do all that in no time at all using Copilot for Microsoft 365. And if you stick around to the end, I'll share a pro tip on how to share the summary as a loop component. So let's take a look and see how it works. My first tip is to use Copilot to summarize a whiteboard. And for this demo, I'm using the Microsoft Whiteboard app on Windows, but this will work in the browser as well. This whiteboard is a result of a long meeting I had with Toby, where we were talking through how to build a new course. There is a ton of ideas and decisions here, and I don't have time to go through it all and remind myself what we talked about. So I'm going to use Copilot to summarize the whole thing for me. To do that, I choose the Copilot button here, and then Summarize. It adds a new item to the board and reads all the content and gives me the high level. Now I've got all the main themes of the whiteboard session. I do need to review what Copilot came up with to make sure it sounds right, and if it doesn't make sense, I can try to regenerate the whole thing. If it's about right, but I'd like to add my own notes, I can edit this summary. And if I want to keep it, I can just choose Keep It. And this summary has an image of the whiteboard and a link at the bottom, and more on why that's useful in a minute. Next tip, Copilot can suggest some new ideas for my whiteboard. I've noticed in the summary here that there was a discussion on character development. We were trying to come up with some personas for our course. We want to have lots of ideas of different people who might be interested in a course about Copilot. I'm going to ask Copilot to suggest 5 new personas we can use when writing the scenarios for this course. And they should be professional and should be interested in Microsoft Copilot. Now, these results are good, but I think we can improve them. So I'm going to choose Edit and then add a reason why for each one. Now, Copilot has another go and then adds more context to the suggestions. It suggests a persona and also gives me a good reason why they might want to do a Copilot course. For example, a technical writer might want to use Copilot for content creation. I could generate more ideas, but I'm happy with these, so I choose Insert. Now that adds them as post-it notes to my board, and each of these are editable, so I can make changes if I want to. Next tip, I can get Copilot to categorize its suggestions for me. Categorizing helps me make sense of the ideas that it came up with. Because my note ideas are already selected, I can choose the Categorize button at the top here, which is Copilot. When I choose Categorize, it sorts the post into the reasons that the personas would be interested in our course. Now I've got a visual way of understanding what the value might be to each of these personas. So I love this, so I'm going to keep it. Now, again, all of these notes are editable, so I can make changes if I need to. Okay, last quick pro tip before we go. The Copilot summary is a loop component. That means you can share it anywhere. For example, if I wanted my team to see this whiteboard, I could drop it in a channel post. And to do that, I just go back to the summary. And first I'm going to check the access. And it tells me that everyone in my org has access if they have the link. So that's perfect. Now I press the copy component button. I go to Teams. I choose my channel, and then I start a new post. I paste the link to the loop component into the post, and the summary appears. And I can post it, and now everyone in my team has access to the summary, and also to the whiteboard. Okay, so there you have 3 tips to give you insights into your meeting using Copilot for Microsoft 365 with Whiteboard. I use Copilot to summarize all the information on the whiteboard for me. Copilot then added some new ideas, and it categorized the ideas to make them easier for me to digest. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.